We now have more ways than ever before to communicate with your clients via Pipeliner. With Pipeliner Calling and Messaging, you can initiate a call directly from your Pipeliner Cloud web application or send one-off or mass text messages directly from within the web app. To take advantage of these new ways to communicate in Pipeliner, you must first request activation of the feature from the Automation Hub. Once activated by a Pipeliner team member, navigate to the Tools menu and click Calling and Messaging to enable calling. Opening the calling feature for the first time will prompt each user to activate individually. Add your phone number directly into Pipeliner by clicking Add Your Phone Number. You will then be prompted to add a valid number with a country code. From there, choose Call Me and Verify. Once you've verified, you will receive confirmation that the verification has been completed successfully. Click Try Calling Integration to initiate your first call. Now that you've verified your phone number and initiated a test call, let's look at audio settings for your call. Click the gear icon to the right of the Start Call button to access your audio settings. You will need to give the widget permission to access your microphone and speakers before your first call. We're now activated, verified, and have confirmed your audio settings. Next, type or paste in a number and click on Start Call. Users can initiate calls throughout Pipeliner. Clicking on any phone number saved in Pipeliner and selecting Call from Browser will initiate a phone call. It's that easy. Confirm your dial-out number as well as the contact you're calling via the calling widget's display. If needed, cancel the call by clicking the red cross in the top right corner. If your contact number is accurate, click Start Call. The widget's display will now change to ringing, and you will have a red hang-up option to end the call at any point. When your call has been answered, a call duration will display tracking your call time. You will have the option to mute yourself as well as by clicking the mute icon. If your call requires numerical entries, click the keypad to the right of the mute icon to open the dial pad. Clicking Hang Up once your call has been completed will display the total duration of the call. Logging calls is as easy as selecting the call outcome, adding a description, and clicking Save as a new task. The call will link to the record from which you triggered the call, e.g., initiating a call from contact linked to an opportunity. The call will link to both records. If you would like to add more details about your completed call, click Edit Task to open the default activity form. When it comes to creating calling reports in Pipeliner, you can now utilize Call Outcome to filter by various options, as well as call duration displaying each logged call's length. It's worth noting that you can modify the available call outcome options via the Administration module. Pipeliner admins can track the total duration of calls made as well as call credit availability by navigating to the calling application in the Automation Hub and clicking Configure to display the usage overview. From here, subscription admins can click Buy Calling Credit to add additional credits to the subscription. That's calling from browser with Pipeliner. Our next video will take a look at using text messaging to stay in contact with your clients.